Hey, just correct me if I am wrong. You are having the money with you and you are still seeking out for a better investment option with a better ROI, with a better appreciation and a shoulder release guarantee. You are not looking in Lucknow, you are not specifically looking in India, just you are looking a better investment option with your budget, and your budget is comfortable with 1 CR, 2 CR, 3 CR or 4 CR because you are seeking an investment option. So let me tell you very clearly, me means Divyansh Mishra on the behalf of Property Guruji is going to tell you where you have to invest and why you have to invest and what kind of property you are going to purchase. Yeah, I am going to tell you the better investment option which is in Dubai. Yeah, in Dubai, because the people who are sitting in Lucknow, no, in India, no, in Asia, no, all across the globe, people are dumping their money, investing their money in Dubai just because of a better ROI, better rate appreciation, better taxation. They are going there. And if you are an Indian, according to this chart, in year 2023, the rank, yeah, we can say the huge amount, the maximum investment has been given or has been done from the India only. Let me show you. This is the ROI chart. Yeah, this is the ROI chart. What the people are getting from the last 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. The maximum yield in the commercial property in India or whether anywhere you invest, they are giving you maximum 7% off. In Dubai, in residential property, you will get minimum of 6% off ROI in residential, and average ROI in Dubai is 8%. Yeah, and not only from India. If you are sitting in any corner of the world, the money is coming from there also, and they are investing in Dubai. And you are getting behind from all of them, and you are not able to get the proper ROI or better appreciation what you deserve. So now you have make up your mind to invest in Dubai. It's good. If you haven't make up your mind, then you have to. But after making your mind, let me tell you which builder is good for you. There are n number of builders. I repeat, there are n number of builder in Dubai. What you have to choose is from that ample number of builders. There are few good builders. There are Amara, there is Damac, there is Nakheel, there is Sobha. Sobha is an Indian brand performing very good in Dubai with the name of Sobha Heartland. They have launched their township and they are getting very good response and they are giving a better ROI. But apart from these all, let me tell you, as always, I prefer Damac. Damac is a good builder with a good well, with a good builder background. They have delivered much project. They have delivered ample number of projects in Dubai, and they have from past few years they are giving up better investment opportunities and a lavish life within their township for their customers. Now, after getting to the Damac, what is available in Damac? Let me tell you, this is Damac Hills 2. Yeah, in Damac Hills 2, you are getting, first of all, I think I have to tell you the location. This lies on Al Qadra Road in Dubai, from where there is 15 minutes of drive from the Damac Hills, 25 minutes drive from the Clover Village. There is a 25-minute drive of IMG World Adventure, 25 minutes of drive from the Dubai Outlet Mall, and the important thing, Al Maktoum Airport is only 30 minutes of drive. Now what option we are getting in Damac Hills 2? We have ELO3, which is the option in the terms of flat. They are giving you 1 BHK and 2 BHK apartment, which starts from 525 square feet of the area for the 1 BHK, and 2 BHK size starts from 832 square feet. This is the flat option which is going on, which is currently available over there. This is very clear. The builder Damac is a good name, has a good work. So the inventories what came up with the new project has been sold out, or it's going on very fastly in the terms of selling. So you have to opt that unit very fast. Few units are available in ULO 3, and if you are seeking for an villa option, you will get a townhouse option or a twin villa option in Damac Hills too. The option will be 4 BHK and 5 BHK of villas, whether you can get it in Natura, and some other option are also there. Apart from this also, they have ample number of investment options available in Dubai. Now, as I have said, they have a better track record, and from past few years they are giving up better investment opportunities and a lavish life within their township for their customers. Call on the given number and connect with me to have a visit, to have a meeting regarding that Dubai options. Thank you so much. This was Divyan Mishra. Thank you for watching.